Hi, my name is Dr. Umar and I'm an executive member of Hive Medical Academy. I have several years' experience of teaching and mentoring medical students, junior doctors, and specialty trainees. I also have extensive experience of being a OSCE instructor and examiner, and have been an approved clinical supervisor for foundation year and specialty training programs in the UK for a number of years. We've got some great news from Hive Medical Academy. We're holding a free live webinar for all PLAB candidates, but especially those who are looking to attempt PLAB 1 in November 2023. During the webinar, we will cover PLAB 1 questions and how to tackle them, hot topics in PLAB, tips and tricks, resources for preparation for PLAB 1 such as clinical knowledge summaries, NICE guidance, the BNF, why and how they are important. And we will also do a mock PLAB 1 test together and discuss the answers and feedback and any learning points from the exercise. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone who's interested in sitting PLAB, so please do not miss this opportunity and register for the webinar today. Also, this is just the beginning and there is much more to come from Hive in relation to PLAB. So please watch this space. Thank you.